I once faced a challenge while hiking near a border area. Suddenly, a robot dog appeared, patrolling the terrain. Initially startled, I realized these mechanical guardians were there to ensure safety. Inspired, I adopted a habit of staying informed about tech advancements. This knowledge helped me navigate unexpected situations with ease. Embracing technology, I learned to appreciate its role in enhancing security and efficiency. Now I encourage others to stay updated on tech trends. It can transform challenges into opportunities. Like, comment, and subscribe for more stories like this.